Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the Echo Valley 4489W Illuminarie Apostrophe-Prism Glass Dual Motion WindWheel, a stunning outdoor decor piece perfect for yards and gardens. This WindWheel features mesmerizing counter-rotational pinwheel spin motion that captivates any viewer. Its unique hand-blown art glass globe glows in the dark, adding charm and elegance after sunset. The multi-section steel stake makes assembly quick and hassle-free, so you can enjoy it right away. Crafted with a weather-resistant finish, it stands up to the elements year-round. The vibrant peacock-like spots in blue, green, and purple are beautifully highlighted by the bronze metal frame. Add color, movement, and artistic flair to your outdoor space with this durable and eye-catching WindWheel. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.